Hi, everyone, I'm here. Do you have any advice for being kind to animals? Please share your ideas below. And don't forget to subscribe for more new videos. Let's get started. A long time ago in a forest filled with tall trees and bushes lived a little squirrel. Her name was Sophie the Squirrel. And she loved collecting acorns. All autumn she scurried around, gathering acorns. 20, 30, all mine for winter, she counted happily. She stored them all in a tree hole. One day, an old, thin squirrel came by. He asked, "Could you spare one acorn?" "I'm too weak to gather." The squirrel that had been gathering all the acorns for herself felt bad. She hesitated. Finally she said, "Here, take two," she said. It felt strange, but good. The old squirrel's eyes sparkled with thanks. A while later, Sophie saw a baby rabbit stuck in a thorny bush. She sat there crying. Sophie carefully used her small paws to free the rabbit. "Thank you," Ruby Rabbit said, and hopped away. Then winter's worst storm came. Heavy snow covered everything. When Sophie went to get some acorns, she saw that the entrance to her tree hole was blocked by ice. She couldn't get to her food. Sophie was very upset. She had no one to blame but herself. She sighed sadly. Suddenly, Sophie heard a familiar voice. "Don't worry, Sophie. We're here to help." Old Samuel Squirrel arrived with acorns. Ruby Rabbit brought carrots. All the animals Sophie had helped came to help her. Together they cleared the ice. Inside the warm tree hollow, everyone shared food. Sophie learned, when you help others, help comes back to you when you need it most. A very important lesson for all of us. Now it's time to make a craft inspired by our story today. We will need paper, crayons, markers, scissors, glue, glitter, and sequins. First, color a squirrel. You can draw her however you want. Cut out your squirrel, then let's color an acorn. Next, cut out the acorn. Let's color another acorn. We will need this one later. Now let's draw a tree. Color the tree. Next, let's draw a carrot. Color the carrot. Now cut out all of your drawings. Let's arrange the drawing on a piece of paper. Glue the tree in the center. Glue the squirrel next to the tree. Glue the two acorns on the ground. Glue the rabbit at the bottom. Now let's add some glitter and sequins. Sparkle, sparkle. Now let's add some more glitter and sequins to the tree. Great job. Now let's play a game called Simon Says. Simon says touch your nose. Touch your toes. Simon says hop like a bunny. Simon says slither like a snake. Simon says roar like a lion. Simon says swing your arms like a monkey. Simon says jump like a frog. Simon says wiggle your fingers. Great job. That's the end of our story today. Thank you for watching. Please share your artwork with us. We can't wait to see what you made. Also, please remember to subscribe for more new videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.